Does your dog have ticks? It could be babesiosis. Babesiosis is a disease transmitted through the bite of an infected tick. Babesia is a parasite found worldwide, especially in temperate climates. In Europe, we mainly find Babesia canis, which is usually more active between spring and summer. This protozoan enters the bloodstream through the tick bite and infects the dog's red blood cells. Once inside, it multiplies and is released back into the blood, destroying red blood cells in the process. This causes anemia in the infected animal. Its mucous membranes become pale, and it may pass blood in its urine. It also causes apathy, loss of appetite, fever, and tachycardia. In some cases, it can lead to paralysis and other neurological signs. To help you detect this disease in time, Biosystems launches a new Anti-Babesia Canis ELISA kit. You will be able to detect antibodies in just 60 minutes, much faster than before, and carry out the entire process at room temperature. In addition, our kit simplifies the process with ready-to-use reagents, compatible with automated processors.